Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Kane. I help people with peripheral neuropathy get out of pain and back to doing the things that they love doing. One of the ways I help them do it is with this weekly educational video series where I give you tips and tricks to help give you some much needed relief. This particular video is about something that's free, you can do in the comfort of your own home anytime that you want. What it will help you do is improve your circulation. Most people with peripheral neuropathy have compromised blood vessels, so especially in their feet, their ankles, they don't do a great job of cycling that blood back to their upper body so it can be redistributed from their heart everywhere else. So what this is simply lying on your back, elevating your legs up, and allowing gravity to pull that blood that's accumulated in your feet and your ankles back down to your upper body, back to your heart, so your heart can pump it more readily throughout your body. Most people with peripheral neuropathy are going to report some improvements, whether it's the numbness, the tingling, the burning. It's not complete resolution, but it is some improvement that you will probably feel when you do it. Try it out for about 5 to 15 minutes. Make sure you listen to your body. If it becomes painful at any point, then stop doing it. Also, when you do try it out, please leave your comments below so I know and everyone else knows how you responded to it. Also, if there's any other concepts you would like me to discuss in a future video, leave that in the comments below. If you know someone else that would benefit from this video, share it with them. If you want to be updated with future videos, hit the subscribe button. And most importantly, I want all of you to know if you're suffering from peripheral neuropathy, you can get better. I promise you, you have not tried everything. Continue to empower yourself with more knowledge. Learn more about this condition and what you can do to improve upon it. Watch our other YouTube videos. Take us up on our free 20-minute consultations where we educate you and tell you what you need to do based off your particular condition to get yourself better. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and I will see you in the next video.